Nominated Luke Stowell for the Apprenticeship Awards just with his consistency in achieving exams first time, all above and merit grading. He's been proactive in his submissions for his qualifications, showed commitment throughout, which has led to him reaching endpoint assessment in time.
So my name is Luke Stowell. I work at Optionis, which is now just rebranded as Karula, as a tax advisor. So I'm in the tax team. I do tax returns for clients. Once all the accounts have been prepared, I deal with the information afterwards, submitting it to HMRC. My apprenticeship is AAT level 3, nearly finished now. Looking forward to getting it all done, getting that nice submission at the end, getting it all sorted. Being a finalist at the Paragon Awards means that it's a serious honour, because I've never experienced anything like this before. But it's incredible, and it just shows that putting in all that hard work, it's really been worth it, because I've been non-stop revision and the submissions for the portfolio, trying to get all that done. It just shows that putting in all that effort has really been worth it.
I nominated LPI for the award due to her transitioning from a business administration level 2. She's shown consistency, proactivity throughout all of her studies, passing all of her exams first time, showing commitment right up until endpoint assessment.
Yep, so my name's Ellie and I work at Nixon Williams in Blackpool, and I'm a tax advisor, and I'm doing the AAT level 3 apprenticeship. So being a finalist of the Paragon Skills Apprenticeship Awards, it's just made me feel quite accomplished. So all the work that I've put in, it's like made it seem like it's paid off quite a lot. And it's like the time that I've invested into all the revision and everything, like it's worth it.